Meaning of horizontal.
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 Horizontal. The term horizontal refers to something that is parallel to the ground or a level surface. It can also describe something that is parallel to the horizon, such as the orientation of the sun during sunrise or sunset. In mathematics, horizontal often refers to a line or plane that is perpendicular to the vertical axis. In general usage, horizontal is frequently used to describe the alignment of objects or surfaces, such as a table or a landscape photograph. Overall, the concept of horizontal implies a sense of flatness or evenness in its orientation.